Let's look at another example that involves more than one step to solve the problem. Just like other problems, we're going to look at our starting units, which are given in meters, and we're going to look at our ending units for our answer, which is inches, because the problem is asking how many inches. Now we have to figure out what relationships we know that are going to help us get between inches and meters. So we know that 1 centimeter equals 10 to the minus 2 meters, because we put our 1 with the prefix and put the meaning with the base. We also know that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Sometimes you might write down a relationship that you don't end up using, and that's okay. So we're going to start with our 6.814 meters. We want to cancel out meters, so meters will go on the bottom, and we know from our relationship that 10 to the minus 2 meters is the value we're going to use, and we're trying to convert first to centimeters. So we have 10 to the minus 2 meters is 1 centimeter. We see that meters cancels out. We have centimeters at this point, so we need centimeters in the denominator, and we're going to have 1 inch on the top. Now centimeters cancel, and we can do the math, and we're left with 268.3 inches. We have 4 sig figs in 6.814, so we need 4 sig figs in our answer because both of the other relationships are considered exact numbers. But remember that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters is an exact number even though it's not a whole number. In this problem, I did not know a direct relationship between meters and inches. Yes, it is possible to look up a relationship between meters and inches, but you're not going to have all of those available to you on the exam. So it's more important to focus on how we can get to the correct answer rather than the shortest path to get to the correct answer. I set up the entire problem first, then I looked at my units, made sure my units were correct, and then I picked up the calculator and solved the problem. The more you practice using this procedure and writing your work down, the easier it will be in the long run.